Hello, and welcome to another fun-filled episode of Resto-Rob. Today, I just got a real quick tool haul for you, and I gotta skedaddle on off to work. So sit back, relax, and check this out. We got a 6-inch diamond cock, 8-inch diamond cock, a 1/4-inch drive, Craftsman V little breaker bar for 1/4-inch drive. We've got these pliers, which are no name, drop forged. I don't even think they say USA on them. Just say drop forged pliers, slip joint pliers. Got this Craftsman 1/2-inch, 1/2-inch extension. That's what, 6 inches. And this Exolite Phillips. Not too bad, not too good, but and sockets. We've got this 1/2-inch Isco and this 11/16 Isco. Here we got this it's a Craftsman. Needs to be cleaned up. Barely read the 15/16. And then, yay, we found a Bonney CV 13/16. Yay, Bonney. So all this little pile cost me $20. Well, folks, hopefully you enjoyed what I had. I didn't have a whole lot this week, but been busy working in the shop and working on some other projects that are coming along really well, like the big ass Bonney tool socket toolbox, the big ass socket toolbox. So that's coming along, and a few other little projects here and there. So please like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and follow me on Instagram. You can find the links below. And while you're out there, stay safe and check you later. What do you think I'd put in the jar? Do you think that was pee?